What's up? You guys hungry? Are you guys freaking hungry or what, man? Huh? How about you, Tubby? Tubby, you hungry? You gotta tell me, man. You gotta tell me. Huh? There we go. All right. Get at it. What up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. Today we're gonna be working on the dang old Mustang once again. Nothing crazy. Obviously, it's the title and thumbnail, I'm sure. We got a new set of headlights for this thing. Actually sent out by a subscriber. And to celebrate that, I went ahead and ordered something for it myself, man. Just some cheap old LED headlights to replace the ones that are in there. To complement the new headlights, of course. So I think we've really helped the appearance of this Mustang. Obviously lowering it and put a nicer set of wheels on there than what came with from factory. I personally think that the new color on the wheels makes it look a lot better. I know a lot of people in the comments express how they liked the white on white a lot more than what they like the bronze, but I don't know, man. To me, I think the bronze kind of subtles it down a little bit. The white was a little bit more flashy. I guess if I'm being honest, I kind of liked both ways, but I definitely am a fan of this new color on the wheels. So obviously they're gonna stay bronze. Now the headlights definitely need some attention. Not only is this one really faded out, of course we could wet sand it, clear coat it, yada yada, but the rubber around it, the trim, is all dry rotted and cracked. A lot of it is missing. And then you come over to this one looks amazing. Except for the rubber trim, I can never get it to stay in there. Like, it's always just flopping out like this. Of course, that's probably an easy fix, but the real important thing here is that the headlights don't even match, man. So the replacement, it has the chrome housing on the inside, and then this old headlight, this one has the black housing on the inside. So they're not even matching headlights, and that definitely stands out like a sore thumb. And on top of that, this thing does not have LED headlight bulbs. It has the old school incandescent bulbs. They're just kind of yellow and dull and ugly, you know? So we're most certainly going to improve that today. So, like I said, I just ordered a cheap set off of Amazon. These are just LED bulbs. Most certainly not a sponsored thing or anything. I'm sitting there like, bro, I probably have like 20 different companies in my emails that want to send me headlights, because I get more emails about headlights than anything else, you know what I mean? But I needed them next day, so I said screw it and order them. They're only 30 bucks. But the headlights, a subscriber by the name of Gabe actually sent these out. So definitely a huge shout out to Gabe. Throw it in the comments down below. A big thank you from the DBFam to Gabe for sending these, because that was really nice, man. I most certainly appreciate it. These things are probably at least 100 bucks, you know what I'm saying? But bang bang, this is gonna be my first time seeing them. I don't even know what we got. Definitely looks like black housing. Oh, yeah. That one went pretty far. Hell freaking yeah, dude. Those are gonna look really good, man. I mean, I'm not gonna lie, I am a huge fan of amber, but I mean, it is what it is, bro. Look at these headlights. That looks really freaking nice. This is gonna definitely make the Mustang look a lot nicer. Hell, we're gonna get these headlights on. I'm gonna have to do something about that shit next. Hey, Toby. What's up, buddy? Hey, buddy. I love you. Give me that ball. Got you, sucker. What you gonna do? What the? Ooh. Oh, it's back over here. Dang, Pumper's got it. Toby's like, nope. Taking that son bitch. Come here, Toby. Come here, Toby. Let me see that ball, man. Toby, give me that ball. Toby, give me that ball. Toby, give me that ball. Freaking brat. How to install your Mustang headlights. Step 1, pop hood. Because you know you're up to no good. Step 2, go watch a YouTube video on how to remove headlights from a 1999 Ford Mustang.
How to remove headlights from a 1999 Ford Mustang.
Now for step 2. So I guess there's these little clips right here that would have been a little bit more evident to me if they were all there. So there's these little, like, I don't know what else to call them other than clips that just slide in and actually hold the headlight in there, right? But there's only 1 out of 4. So there's supposed to be 1 right here as well, and then on this headlight they're both missing. So it looks like they have like a metal zip tie going through this one, holding this headlight in. So I gotta snip that. I don't know, man, this is supposed to have been an easy install here. Now I'm gonna have to fab up some kind of clips in order to even hold the headlights in. Or I guess I could just put another zip tie on it, right? All right, so after taking the 2 clips out that are supposed to be there, I guess the only thing that's holding it in are some little push lock brackets that are over here. We could actually see them on the new headlight. So these little guys right here, they just push into a bracket back there. So you just gotta grab the headlight and just pull. Right? Yep. Okay. There it is. Nice. Now we gotta get back inside of here and unplug the light. Actually, I guess I could probably just take the bulb out, because we're gonna have to take the bulb out to put in the new headlight, right? Yeah, there we go. Bang, bang, baby. Now unplug the actual headlight itself. Bow, sucker! Well, they will either work or they won't, man. One or the other. If they don't work, we're doing zip ties. All right, now can we get that metal zip tie out of there? Jesus Christ. Alright, so like I said earlier, I just grabbed the cheapest freaking LED headlight that I can find. That was for overnight shipping last night off of Amazon. And these are them. Hopefully they're the right ones, because now I only have 1 headlight bulb left. Where does this go in there? Yeah, I see. Are you gonna fit? Okay, come on. I need you to work, my friend. I need you to work with me. Maybe. Oh. What the hell? Bam! Figured it out. Definitely took some figuring, but I figured it out. So you pop this off of here. So then you put the factory bulb in there, and then you put this over it, and then it locks it in. But with these LEDs, the LED itself comes with this little attachment. So that's the whole LED bulb. But this piece right here pops off. So you put that on there first, and that actually is watertight and everything. So that just slides in. It doesn't lock or anything. What holds that in is this piece. It holds it in the same way it would the factory light bulb. And then this piece also has a, the actual LED actually has an O-ring on it as well, so that it is waterproof. You have to spin it till it drops in, and then you turn it and lock it. Bam! The whole thing's locked in, and then that's the same plug as your factory bulb that would be going in there. So pretty simple. It's the same as pretty much any other headlight. It took me a second to figure it out. Nope, don't go in there. Don't go in there. Don't go in there. Thank you. Go ahead and pop these little covers off for the blinkers, and then we are ready to put the headlights on. Use a rag and clean this up a little bit really quick before we pop this thing on here. Oh shit. That's why I was having trouble getting it on there. One of the freaking little prongs on the old headlight broke off in there. Come on. Yay! It works! Hell yeah. I made that, sucker. Mustang tried to give me a bad day. I said, hell no, sucker! I got a freaking jigsaw, boy! Well, that's what it looks like. Definitely a much needed improvement, I gotta say. Huge shout out to Gabe once again. I most certainly appreciate it, brother. Definitely made a huge difference in the appearance of the Mustang. Now I gotta kind of step it up, make the rest of the car kind of look decent, you know what I mean? Put in the comments down below what you guys would rather see. Me actually go through and kind of try to feather this out and touch it up. Dude, for one, most certainly have zero interest in painting this entire car. So I just want to make that clear. So are we going to touch these spots up, or should I do some kind of vinyl wrap? And whenever I say vinyl wrap, I'm referring to the pieces that are like the places that are missing. I'm kind of thinking about doing like a camouflage theme, you know? Anywhere where it's missing, obviously I'll have to make some kind of camouflage design to cover the missing areas and then add more to it just to kind of fill it in. I feel like that would honestly be the easiest way to make it look good rather than trying to, you know, blend those spots in, because there ain't no way that I'm gonna completely get rid of them unless I really like paint the whole quarter panel, paint the entire doors, and paint an entire fender. And I don't want to do that. I'd rather make it look as presentable as I can with spending as little bit of money and putting as little bit of effort into it as I can, you know what I'm saying? But most certainly, once again, huge shout out to Gabe. I most certainly appreciate it, brother. I just today ordered some have fun parts for this thing, so whenever those come in, we're gonna be able to actually install that stuff and actually go out and have a little bit of fun with this car. I think you guys probably know what it is I'm referring to. I will say that I called the company and I talked to them. They said if it is in stock, it'll ship out pretty quickly, but if they have to manufacture it, that it's gonna take up to 2 weeks for it to ship. So that's kind of up in the air and how long it's gonna take for us to get it. But anyhow, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do smash the like button. Peace. And we'll see you on the next one, which probably ain't gonna be no Mustang. We're gonna be working on the S10. I can almost guarantee you. Later.